So we are off to Matt's house to pick up a barbecue. Also, I thought I'd give you a channel update as well whilst I'm here. I said I might do this every now and again, but I'm going to incorporate it into this video this time. But I thought I would just introduce this camper van to the channel. This is a VW T6. There is a facelift of this, a 6.1, but this is just the T6. It's a 5-speed manual with a 2-litre diesel engine with about 100 horsepower, I think. So it's not the most powerful van in the world. However, it does have armchairs, which is really quite nice. So I've arrived in Horsham here to get the barbecue, and let's see how quickly we can load it up into the camper. Barbecue loaded onto some chairs and other bits and pieces, and we'll be on the road. So I started my first video on cars, which was my Rolls-Royce, 2 weeks ago yesterday, and I'm just waiting for YouTube to update all my stats. So I'm now back from dropping off the barbecue. I'm in the back of my camper van where the barbecue was. I put the table out. It's been 5 days since I last updated you on my progress, which was effectively 28 days into my YouTube journey, my first video making and posting. So 5 days ago I had 1,300 views, 36 subscribers, and 50 hours of watch time. Now, 5 days on, I've had 10,500 views, I've got 143 subscribers, and 634 watch hours. So if you break that down over the last 5 days, I have been gaining 21.4 subscribers a day and about 116 hours of watch time. So I've broken that down into what YouTube require you to become monetized. You need 1,000 subscribers. Divided by the 21 I seem to be getting every day, that means in 47 days time I should be able to be monetized on that metric. The next thing they require you to have at the same time is watch time of 4,000 hours. And if you divide the 4,000 by 116, you get 34 days, even faster. So in 34 days on that metric, I could be monetized. But you do need them both to get monetized. So if I do nothing more than to maintain those two things, 21 subscribers a day, 116 watch hours a day, I should be monetized in 47 days from now, which is the 20th of September 2024. Which will mean, since posting my first video, I would have achieved monetization in 73 days. Since giving the channel a bit more direction, of mainly based around my cars, it would have monetized in 62 days. So monetization on a car channel on YouTube in 62 days, 2 months. So please join me on the journey to see if I can hit monetization by the 20th of September, or beat it even better, and see how long it does take to get monetized. And then I'll share with you how much I've earned off my first month's earnings from a car channel on YouTube. But can a little channel from Sussex on the south coast of England make it to monetization in 2 months? Keep watching, keep subscribing, hit the bell icon as well, that really helps. And tell your friends about it, please. Let's see if we can beat the 20th of September together. Thanks very much, and until next time, see you later.